Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard business maths state board chapter 3 exercise 3.3 10th sum. It's also an important 5-mark question, important board question. The demand function or equation, the demand equation for a product is x equal to root of 100 minus p, and the supply function equation is x equal to p by 2 minus 10. Determine consumer surplus and producer surplus under market equilibrium. Equilibrium is demand equal to supply. See, first you can write as demand equation or demand function. Demand function equal to, what is the value? Demand function equal to x equal to root of 100 minus p. Then supply equation or supply function, I think you can write. Okay, so x equal to p by 2 minus 10, both the values are x, its output under market equilibrium. Under market equilibrium, both are equal. Under market equilibrium, PD equal to PS, so root of 100 minus p equal to p by 2 minus 10, p by 2 minus 10, squaring on both the sides. What is the value you are getting? 100 minus p equal to p by 2 minus 10 the whole square, p by 2 minus 10 the whole square. 100 minus p equal to a minus b the whole square formula, so p square by 4 minus 2ab, that is 20, 10 2s are 20 p by 2 plus 100, so 100 get cancel. What is the remaining thing we are having? See here, p square by 4, 2 1s are 2 10s are, so p square by 4 minus 10p, p square by 4 minus 10p minus p, that is plus p equal to 0. So p square by 4 minus 9p equal to 0. 4 you can take it as the LCM, p square minus 36p by 4 equal to 0. Bring it to the next side. What is the value you are getting? P square minus 36p. So p square minus 36 equal to 0. 4 into 0, 0. So p square equal to p square minus 36p. P square minus 36p equal to 0. P you can take it as commonly out. P minus 36 equal to 0. P equal to 0, p equal to 36. P cannot be 0. P cannot be 0, so we can take the value, cannot be 0, so we can take the value p equal to 36. It is nothing but p naught equal to 36. P naught equal to 36. Then you should find out the value of x naught. X naught equal to, you can take any value, x naught equal to root of, you should find out the value of x naught. Either you can take this one or that one, you can get the same value only. So x naught equal to, what is the p naught value? P naught by 2 minus 10. So x naught equal to p naught value equal to 36. So 36 by 2 minus 10, x naught equal to 18. 18 minus 10, so what is the value of x naught? X naught equal to 8. Then P naught x naught. P naught X naught equal to 36 into 8. 36 into 8 equal to 288. 36 into 8 equal to 288. Then you should find out the consumer surplus and producer surplus. You can take it as a demand function. This is the demand function. Demand function, from that you should find out the value of P. Okay, demand function, because PD you should find out. Demand function X equal to root of 100 minus P. 100 minus P, squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. What is the value we are getting? Squaring on both sides. What is the value we are getting now? See, X square. X square equal to 100 minus P. X square equal to 100 minus P. P equal to 100 minus X square. This is nothing but PD, demand function. PD, demand function. See, consumer surplus equal to, what is the formula? Integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus p naught x naught. Here you should write the demand function PD value. So it gives 0 to, what is the x naught value? X naught equal to 8. X naught equal to 8, f of x, PD value. What is the value of PD? 100 minus x square into dx minus p naught x naught value is what? 288. So it gives integrate 100 into dx is what? X minus x square is x cube by 3. What is the limit? 0 to 8 minus 288. So see here, upper limit minus lower limit. It gives 100 into 8, upper limit 100 into 8 minus 8 cube by 3, upper limit, minus lower limit is 0. 0 into any number? 0, because both the terms contain x. So that 0 into any number value is 0 minus 288. So it gives 800 minus, what is the value of 8 cube? 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. 512 by 3 minus 288. See here, 800 minus 288. It gives 512 minus 512 by 3. 512 you can take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing? 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3. See here, consumer surplus equal to 512 into, you can take it as 3 as the LCM. So 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. 512 into 2 by 3. 512 into 2 by 3. You multiply, you are getting the value 1024 by 3 units. Consumer surplus means you will write it as units. See, for the consumer surplus you got the value of demand function, P value from the demand function. Now we are going to do the producer surplus. So we will find out the value of P from the supply function. So x equal to P by 2 minus 10. So you can take it as the x equal to P minus 20 by 2. P minus 20 by, can take the LCM, 20 by 2. 2x equal to P minus 20. P equal to 2x plus 20. P equal to 2x plus 20. This is nothing but a producer surplus. Sorry, this is nothing but a producer. This is nothing but a supply function, not producer surplus. This is nothing but a supply function. see here, whenever the sum is given like this, so you should find out the value, demand function, P value, demand function is, that is nothing but a PD value, and supply function, see here, supply function is, P value is PS. Okay. Now we move on to find out the value of producer surplus. What is the formula for producer surplus? Producer surplus equal to P naught x naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x into dx. G of x into dx, it gives 288 minus integral 0 to 8, what is P of x? That is supply function. What is the supply function? 2x plus 20 into dx. 2x plus 20 into dx, it gives 288 minus 2x square by 2 plus 20x. What is the limit? 0 to 8. The limit is 0 to 8. 2 get cancelled. So producer surplus equal to 288 minus, substitute the upper limit, 8 square minus 8 square plus 20 into 8 square minus 20 into 8, 288, lower limit 0 into any number 0, 288 minus 64, 8 square is what? 64 plus 160, 64 plus 160, it gives 288 minus 224, 288 minus 224, the value is 64 units. Producer surplus is 64 units. 11th sum, find the consumer surplus and producer surplus for the demand function PD equal to 25 minus 3x and supply function PS equal to 5 plus 2x. See demand function. Demand function, what is that? PD equal to 25 minus 3x. PD equal to 25 minus 3x. Then supply function. PS, supply function PS equal to 5 plus 2x. At equilibrium, PD equal to, at market price or at equilibrium, PD equal to PS. So what is the value we are getting now? PD equal to PS, 25 minus 3x equal to 5 plus 2x. 5 plus 2x. So you can bring it to this side. 25 minus 5 equal to 2x plus 3x. 20 equal to 5x. What is the value of x? X equal to 4. So x naught equal to 4. X naught equal to 4. You can substitute any one of the value of P naught. See, P naught equal to 25 minus 3 into 4. 25 minus 3 into 4. 25 minus 12. The value is 13. 25 minus 12, the value is 13. See here also x equal to 4 means 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 5, 13. You are getting the same value only. You can substitute any one of the P value. Okay, so x naught P naught x naught equal to, what is P naught value? 13 into x naught value is 4, it gives 52. It gives 52. So now we move on to consumer surplus. Integral 0 to x naught f of x f of x dx minus p naught x naught. What is f of x here? Because it is a consumer surplus, you can take it as a demand function. You can take it as f of x as a demand function. It gives integral 0 to 4. What is the demand function here? 25 minus 3x. So 25 minus 3x into dx. 25 minus 3x into dx minus 52. So see here, 25 integral dx value is x minus 3x square by 2 limit 0 to 4 minus 52. So consumer surplus equal to, you can substitute the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 25 into 4 minus 3 into 4 square by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, both the values contain x. So 0 into any number, 0 minus 0 minus 52. So it gives 25 into 4, 100 minus 3 into 16. 3 into 16 by 2 minus 52. Sir, 8 sir. So it gives 100 minus 24 minus 52. Do the calculation in the rougher column. So 100 minus 76. 100 minus 76 is what? 24 units. Consumer surplus equal to 24 units. So now we move on to find out the value of producer surplus. What is the formula for producer surplus? Equal to P naught x naught minus integral 0 to x naught g of x into dx. In this producer surplus, you can take it as a supply function. Consumer surplus, you can take it as a demand function. So it gives 52 minus integral 0 to x naught value is what? 4. G of x. G of x is 5 plus 2x into dx. 5 plus 2x into dx. So it gives 52 minus, have to integrate the value, 5x plus 2x square by 2. The limit is 0 to 4. The limit is 0 to 4. So upper limit minus lower limit. You can substitute the value of upper limit minus lower limit. 52 minus 2 get cancel, power 1. So x square by 2 get cancel. So 5 into 4 upper limit plus 4 square upper limit. 5 into 4 plus 4 square upper limit minus lower limit. Both the values are 0. X is there, so minus 0. So it gives 52 minus 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 16. 20 plus 16. 52 minus 36. 20 plus 6 is 36. It gives 16 units. What is the value for that producer surplus? Producer surplus is 16 units. Thank you, children.